Okay, hello guys, welcome to this class. आज हामी क्लास 12 को युनिट 8 मा रहेको एक्सरसाइज गर्दैछौं ग्रामर पोर्सनबाट है। पेज नम्बर 65 छ जसको टपिक छ एडजेक्टिभ्स एन्ड एडभर्ब्स भनेर छ है। एडजेक्टिभ र एडभर्ब छ, विशेषण र क्रिया विशेषण भनेर छ। सो नाउन नामको विशेषता जनाउने शब्दलाई एडजेक्टिभ भन्यो र एडजेक्टिभ को विशेषता जनाउने शब्दलाई एडभर्ब भनेर भन्यो हैन। कसरी चाहिँ हाम्रो काम भइरहेको छ त भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ एडभर्ब भयो है। ओके, so let's see. The trash is wrapped in neat bundles. We realize that 𝘀𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗍 is a part of a larger cycle. In the morning, the choicest items are gone. I looked around me quickly and I happily picked up one bookcase with both arms भनेर चाहिँ यहाँ चाहिँ एडजेक्टिभ र एडभर्ब्सहरु छ। अब हामीले यसको एक्सरसाइज गर्नु पर्यो, धेरै गाह्रो छैन, एकदमै सजिलो छ है त। हेरौं। ओके, use the words from the brackets to complete the sentences भनेर छ। ओके, this house is very small. I want to buy a one भनेर छ। यो घर धेरै सानो भयो, मलाई त यो भन्दा एकदम ठूलो चाहियो भनेर छ हैन। So I want to buy much bigger house, bigger one. I want to buy a much bigger one भन्ने कुरा छ। I want to buy a much bigger one. I like the magic show. It was than I had expected. It was far more exciting than I had expected. It was far more exciting. Far more exciting than I had expected. It was very cold. It was very cold yesterday. Is that today? It's a bit warmer today. Comparison गरेको छ है। It's a bit warmer today. It's a bit warmer. It's a bit warmer today. The warmer the weather, that I feel भनेर छ। अब good को better है। The warmer the weather, the better I feel. Comparative है। The better I feel भनेर भयो। An average American earns than an average Nepali भनेर छ। An average American earns considerably higher than an average Nepali. Considerably higher than an average Nepali भनेर भयो। Okay, healthcare in Nepal is not as as it is in US भनेर छ। Okay, यसको एक्सपेन्सिभ को एक्सपेन्सिभ नै हुन्छ। It is not as expensive as it is in the US भनेर भयो। G, I think the problem is than it seems भनेर छ। Far more complicated. I think the problem is far more complicated. Far more complicated than it seems भनेर छ। You are driving very fast. Would you please drive a bit slower? A bit slower comparative है। A bit slower भनेर भन्न सक्यो। Okay, a bit slowly. Okay, slowly छ। That's why मैले slowly नै भने है। A bit slowly. Can you drive a bit slowly? Okay. Your handwriting is not legible. Legible भनेको चाहिँ तपाई पढ्न सक्नुहुन्छ कि हुँदैन त। मेरो ह्यान्डराइटिङ पढ्न सक्नुहुन्छ भने देखिन्छ त्यसलाई लेजिबल भनेर भनिन्छ। पढ्न सक्नुहुन्छ हुँदैन भने चाहिँ इलेजिबल भनेर भनिन्छ है। सो लेजिबल भनेको पढ्न सक्नुहुन्छ भने देखिन। ओके, can you write a bit neater? Can you write a bit neater? A bit neater भनेर भयो। Okay. Rewrite the following sentences with the sentence beginning as given below भनेर छ। Okay, Kabir is less intelligent than he pretends. उसले भने भन्दा उ चाहिँ कम इन्टेलिजेन्ट छ। He is not as के छ हुन्छ त। He is not as intelligent as he pretends भनेर भन्न सकिन्छ। He is not as intelligent. He is not as intelligent as he pretends. As he pretends. I am busy today. I was busier yesterday. I am not as busy. अब दुईटाको बीचमा कम्पेयर गर्नु पर्यो है. I am not as busy as I was yesterday. As I was yesterday. As I was yesterday. भनेर छ. Hari has lived in Kathmandu for 10 years, but Bikram for 20 years. Bikram has, okay, so Bikram has lived more than Hari in Kathmandu. Okay. I used to study 12 hours a day, but nowadays I study only 5 hours a day. I don't study as much. I used to. I don't study. Okay, I don't study as much as I used to. It's a very good room in our hotel. In fact, it's the sabbaiभन्दा राम्रो. It's the what? It's the best one. It's the best we have ever been to. It's the best we have ever been to. We have ever been to. भनेर भन्न सकियो. He earns 30,000 rupees a month, but he spends 40,000. उसले कमाएको भन्दा धेरै खर्च गर्छ. He spends more than he earns. भनेर भन्न सकियो. He spends more than he earns. More than he earns. He spends more than he earns. भनेर भन्न सकियो. Okay. There is no other mountain higher than Mount Everest in the world. But Mount Everest is the highest one. Mount Everest is the highest one. Superlative, right? Mount Everest is the highest one. भनेर भन्न सकियो. The place was nearer than I thought. It was not as far. It was not as far as I thought. भनेर भयो. Okay. Bharat can play better than Mohan. Mohan can't play as good as Bharat. Mohan can't play as good as Bharat. Okay, यति कुरा हामीले गर्नु पर्यो, सिक्नु पर्यो है. सो हाम्रो सीमा हामीले कम्पेयर गर्यौं. दुईटा इभेन्ट छ, दुईटा इभेन्टलाई कम्पेयर गर्यौं है. as busy as intelligent as भनेर कम्पेयर गर्यौं. यहाँनेरि बेस्ट भनेर छ, हामीले सुपरलेटिभ लेख्यौं है. माथि चाहिँ कम्पेरिटिभ छ, कम्पेयर गर्यौं. यहाँ बेस्ट, हाईएस्ट, ठीक छ. यो चाहिँ हाम्रो कम्पेरिजन भयो, सरी सुपरलेटिभ भयो. र माथि पनि हामीले दुईटा बीचमा चाहिँ कम्पेरिजन गरेका छौं र हामीले यसरी लेखेका छौं. ओके, सो यसमा यति कुरा भयो. अब केही बुझ्नु भएको छैन भनेदेखि हाम्रो नम्बर छ. So this is our number. So यो नम्बरमा तपाईले सम्पर्क गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ हामीलाई. ठीक छ. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. अब केही बुझ्नु भएको छैन भनेदेखि you know this number. यो नम्बरमा सम्पर्क गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. जुनसुकै लेभलको हुनुहुन्छ तपाईले चाहिँ अनलाइन क्लासेसको लागि, नोट्सको लागि, ट्युसनको लागि you guys can call us है, feedback को लागि. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.